Right, just sorting out on that inner wing there. So I've whipped off the outer wing, and there's a couple of things that need doing. So if we buzz over to the old one just quickly. On my car, so this is only on sort of early 80s ones, washer bottle holder there, that's not there when they introduced the brake servo. They moved it. So some cars got it on the bulkhead, some cars have got it, much newer cars have got it in the boot. That plate I'll transfer later. I need to make this and this for the wiring loom. Nothing to do on this side, this is just plain. So I've bought that because I was going to take this off, but there's patches behind on the other side, so that's not really an option. It's probably all rusty anyway, and I'll just make these two, and those will get spot welded on, and that will get spot welded on. So let's have a quick look. Here we take the paint off. I've just got it clamped. That's the label, if anyone's interested, for the part number. Just holding it here with the clamp, and obviously I've just removed the paint where we're going to do the spot welds, putting a little additional bit of paint over the primer. Just use some gloss black just in between, try and prevent it from rusting a bit. We'll probably get a little bit of seam sealer on there when we get to it. So time to get the spot welder out and attach that, make up the two hangers for the wiring loom. There we go then, 4 little spot welds on there, just keeping that in the same place as the one down there, if you can see it in the distance. Just put a bit of edge on that now. Stop that from rusting away. Onto these bits, you can actually see the indents where they're supposed to be. One there and one there. So we'll make those now. Right, here we go. Couple made up. They fit up in there like that. So just time to sling a spot weld onto that, and then that'll be done as well. Okay, so we can move on with this wing now. Another little job done. Okay, so this big hole shouldn't be there on my wing. A couple of the others possibly shouldn't, but I might fill them. You know, they're only very small. But that one is for a side indicator, which this car does not have. We've made up a little disc of metal, which we will hold in place there, then get it in with the magnet on the back. There we go. So I'm just going to go around with the welder, and yeah, then hopefully you'll never know it was there. Right, let's have a go. Pretty much hole's gone, and then on this side, oh, Need the light, don't we? You can see I've ground back the welds and we'll just give it a coat. And there we go. One hole deletion. So we've got the hole gone, we've got the bracket added, we've got the 2 tags added. So we're getting there on this inner wing. Right, just quickly show what I'm doing to this wing that I accidentally dropped and put a couple of dents in. So basically I've been spraying in here and sanding back, and you can see I think they call it a guide coat, but basically when I sand it now, so I sanded it to bare metal, then I did my best tapping it out, then I sprayed it with the dark edge primer and then just lightly over with the sandpaper, and that reveals the what are high spots on this side of the wing, but obviously low spots on the other side here, where there's a bit slight dent across there that came from factory, and then this is where I dented it myself, just there. Actually that's pretty good now. It was about from here to there, and I've been knocking it with hammer and dolly, so it's just a tiny bit there that might need a little bit more attention, and then this factory dent I'll try and sort out. But basically I've just been knocking it from this side, so I'll knock it some more and then we'll give it another coat of paint and give it another rub and see how it is. I just touched this over with sandpaper. You can see here where the paint is worn through, and then the darker bit in the middle there where it's got extra paint. So that's obviously the low section there on the outside, but we're pretty close. And then again here's the strip where the dent was. There's actually a couple of little tiny points, impact points, and then obviously slightly high points where I've been working on this section. But again, it doesn't feel too bad. Little skim of filler and this will be absolutely fine. I'll show you on the inside, similar sort of thing, but obviously the reverse pattern. So here, this is the high spot or the low spot, and the same there. Anyway, that wing will be okay to carry on using. As I say, just to get a light skim of filler on where those dents were. Bit of a shame, but never mind.